Hello, my name is Jacob Marafi, and this is my video submission for P3 of CSCI 4070 game programming. So for my project, I used HTML canvas and JavaScript to show the algorithm and how it works between a start and end point. So I'm going to go down what I got done from the rubric. So the begin default maps. There's 3 maps in the game. Simple one, and then a little more complicated, and then big one. They go up in size, 64 to 56, and then 1024. The values can be seen for f, h, and x when you step through a function. They're shown in the corners of the boxes. The final path is drawn, the total number of steps, and then the length of the path shown by the dots. We can show it on a different map. Let's just do over this one. Stepping through, showing the numbers. Reach total number of steps, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Efficiency smooth animation. My animation runs, but it doesn't stop when getting to the end. So if you do start to finish, it keeps running, and it keeps checking because it doesn't find the end. Maybe we can show it on a little bigger map. So it goes towards it and it hits it supposedly, but then it keeps searching because it can't find it, and then it just ends. This is my fault in the setting up the algorithm. It was I just didn't have enough time to fix it, so I didn't get that done. Control speed of animation. I have buttons for it and set it up, but the animation doesn't work properly, so I wasn't able to manipulate it. You can see that the animation speed goes up and down, but it doesn't do anything for the actual animation. At least size of 500 cells, so I supported 64, 256, and 1024. So configure environment obstacles. Yes, so the randomized maps is configurable. You can't place them down by clicking, but they are configurable. You can place down the start and end nodes, however. There is step, which works pretty much perfectly. It doesn't show the numbers on the big map, but on those 2 smaller maps it does show the numbers, as shown previously in the video. The report has been turned in. I think it's pretty well made. It's kind of simple and doesn't have all the embellishments that come in the possible embellishments like the other algorithms. But like the step function works, and the animation is screwed up because it doesn't recognize the end node when not stepping through. I wasn't able to fix that in time for this video or the demo, so. The README has been turned in. Oh, my 2 embellishments are the randomized map and the fact that it's larger than 1,000. So large environment meant more than 1K cells. So that's 10 points. And then I put on the SurveyMonkey for the randomized map, I put proposed 10-point embellishment as well. So that's pretty much it for Project 3. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video.